Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Economic Times India AI Dialogues brought to you by Kyndryl. With me, I have Mr. Abhijit Debroy. He is the Deputy General Manager, Information Systems at Indian Oil, and we'll try and understand from him the impact of India AI Summit at the grassroots level. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you, everyone.
We are at the AI Impact Summit, and it's a large-scale summit happening in India. What's your experience so far of this summit?
It's a tremendous show that we see here, and with the government's push, it is going to be a huge impact for the country as well as for the world, specifically for various manufacturing sectors and service sectors where a lot of impact can be seen. Still, work is happening. A lot of startups coming up.
Yeah.
So it's a really impactful time with AI.
Fantastic. So we are talking about AI at population scale. I want to understand from you, where do you see in your sector AI making the largest impact?
I am from Indian Oil,
Yeah.
and in the energy sector, there are immense scope, starting from catering to the end customer.
Yeah.
And when we are talking about customer experiences, say for example, reaching a customer's home with a cylinder, LPG cylinder. So a lot of work can be done. We have been doing a lot of work we have done in-house expertise, and a lot of exploration of the various services that we can give to the end customer, and that can improve a lot with lot of AI things coming in. Say for example, delivering a customer on demand through AI analytics. That can help a lot.
Fantastic.
So this is one example. There are a lot of other examples like that.
Exactly. It's the impact at the grassroots level. That's what we are looking at.
And if it reaches to the end customer, that's what matters.
Yeah, that's what matters. Thanks a lot for putting it together. Last question I want to understand from you, as a veteran in the industry, what is the one thing you would like to happen, or you would be happy if it happens with the help of AI?
Ease of doing business.
Ease of doing business. Brilliant. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. It was lovely having you on the show. Thank you.